Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. I'm very excited about this one since this is my favorite blend. My favorite does tend to change seasonally, but as of today, this is it. Organic Royal Blend was created with rich and robust teas that melt together into a smooth and delicious combination of flavors. Even though this tea is not classified as a wellness tea, there is still plenty of goodness in each of its ingredients. The first ingredient is organic oolong. Oolong is a tea that originates from China and gets its name from the twisted shape of its leaves. Oolong translates roughly to black dragon, and if you look closely at the tea leaves, you'll see why. Oolong has lots of health benefits, including aiding in decreasing fat, boosting metabolism, and reducing risks of weight gain-related diseases, including diabetes and heart disease. Organic Assam is our second ingredient. Assam is a classic black tea that gets its name from its origins in Assam, India. Assam is full of antioxidants, and studies have been shown that drinking a cup of Assam tea daily can reduce the risk of heart attacks by up to 50%. This research comes from findings that the active ingredients in Assam help to reduce blood pressure, prevent blood clots, and relax blood vessels. Our third ingredient is organic Hojicha. Hojicha originated in small tea shops in Kyoto, Japan, when tea merchants began to roast their green tea leaves to entice customers into the shops with the pleasant smell. They soon discovered that roasting the tea leaves added a delicious toasty flavor, and Hojicha was born. Hojicha is packed with antioxidants and can promote fat loss by boosting metabolism and promoting good digestion. Our second to last ingredient is organic pu'er. Pu'er tea originates from the Yunnan province of China and was named after the street market it began in. It is a variety of black tea that is fermented to give it a deeper flavor and is sometimes pressed into firm, round cakes of tea leaves. Pu'er is wonderful for boosting energy, preventing free radicals, strengthening the immune system, and promoting heart health. And our final ingredient is organic cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are another antioxidant-rich ingredient in this blend. Cacao nibs add a velvety mouthfeel and a light chocolate flavor to this blend, along with promoting a healthy immune system, heart, and brain. This tea is delicious with just a little bit of milk and sugar, or by itself, but I made this fun lemonade recipe to do something more summery with this classic black tea. I'm going to start with one of our drawstring tea bags full of organic Royal Blend and then add about 8 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water while allowing that to steep for 5 to 7 minutes while I get the rest of my ingredients going. I'm going to juice 1 whole lemon and then add some lavender syrup to the lemon juice and give that a good mix. I used Monin lavender syrup, but you can use whatever variety you'd like. Once that's done, I'm going to add our lemon juice mixture to our steeped tea and give that a good mix. All that's left to do is pour this over ice and add a lemon wedge if you'd like. This makes about 2 servings of this drink, and it is deliciously lemony tart with a little bit of that sweet floral lavender flavor. I think this is a perfect summer drink. You could make a whole big pitcher of it and enjoy it with friends. Thanks so much for joining us for Tea of the Week this week. I hope you'll give Organic Royal Blend a try, as it is my favorite and I can't recommend it enough. Everything will be linked in the description below for the recipe and everything else you might need, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!